I am Dr. Mrs. Joy Oluchi Uguru, an Associate Professor of the Department of Linguistics, Igbo, and other Nigerian languages. I major in phonetics and phonology, and specifically acoustics. Acoustic phonetics is my special area of I major specially there in acoustic phonetics. And it is very important that we study language acoustically so as to be able to authenticate some of the theories that we have in literature, and at times people say these things are abstract, but by acoustic analysis you're able to authenticate that these things are actually practical. Language is a practical thing, and except you test them out acoustically, people will keep viewing language as if it was in the air, but this is something that is around us. And through acoustic analysis, you're able to also veer into speech pathology and all the rest of it, and also be able to test out the features of our languages, particularly African languages that are still growing. You're able to compare them and then bring out their features and see how you can make them, even up with the so-called developed languages. Talking about linguistics and science, it was through this department, to the glory of God, when I attended the Acoustical International Congress on Acoustics, Nigeria was able to be launched into that Congress through the setting up of the Acoustical Society of Nigeria. And today we have registered even with the CAC, and we make moves against noise and how to enhance speech. And in that society, those in physics, engineering, all sorts of fields belong to that society. And we're saying that the glory of God is started from the linguistics department of linguistics, Igbo, and other Nigerian languages. So we are saying you will discover that the sciences and the arts, they are, intermingled to make humanity better. Thank you.